Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.2, Problem 18. This is Section 4.2, Problem 18. It says Jim is 6 feet tall and he casts a 4-foot-long shadow. Use a proportion to help Jim calculate the height of a flagpole that casts a 30-foot-long shadow. So this is a common type of an application problem. So you have something with a known height, you can measure the shadow and use that to determine the height of something that you don't know. So let's say Jim looks like this, and he is 6 feet tall, and his shadow is 4 feet long. So it makes a triangle. And he has a flagpole, maybe where he goes to work or school or at his house. Put a quick flag on it. And it casts a shadow that is 30 feet long, also forms a triangle, and its height is unknown. So this is a problem just like the others, except the triangles aren't drawn for you. You kind of have to imagine them. So we're going to set up a proportion. So the bottom to the bottom, the length of the shadow is 4 over 30. Set that equal to the height to the height. So Jim's height is 6. The flagpole's height is unknown. So now you have two fractions. One part is unknown, so you solve that by cross multiply and divide. The 4 and the 30 can reduce if you notice. It doesn't really matter. You'll get the same answer either way. So you're going to do 4 times x going one way, 6 times 30 going the other way. And they're equal. So 6 times 30 is 180. 4 times x is 4x. We could have called it 4h, h for height, but x is good. So now to solve for x, or the unknown, you're going to divide the 180 by the number in front of your unknown, which in this case is 4. So off to the side. We'll do 180 divided by 4. 4 does not fit into 1. 4 will go into 18 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. 18 minus 16 is 2. Bring down the next digit, which is a 0. Put it next to the 2, so you have 20. 4 divides into 25 times. So you have 45. So the height of the flagpole is 45. Now, because this is an application problem, you have to have the units of measure. Everything in our problem was measured in feet. Jim is 6 feet tall, his shadow is 4 feet long. The flagpole has a shadow that's 30 feet long. So our answer of 45, it's 45 feet. So the flagpole is 45 feet tall.